Welcome to AZ Superbox. Today, we're thrilled to present our top 5 picks for the best under-desk treadmills that offer both ultimate convenience and fitness on the go. In this video, we'll showcase a carefully curated selection of under-desk treadmills designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily routine while ensuring your health and well-being. For those seeking a healthier lifestyle without compromising productivity, these under-desk treadmills are the perfect solution. Our picks are designed to fit comfortably under your desk, allowing you to stay active while working or multitasking. Each treadmill on our list has been meticulously selected based on its advanced features, build quality, user satisfaction, and seamless integration into various workspace environments. These treadmills are specifically designed to provide ultimate protection and functionality. Whether you're looking for a slim and sleek design or a more robust option with added features, our top 5 under-desk treadmills offer a range of styles and functionalities to suit your preferences. Our commitment to excellence ensures that these treadmills will enhance your well-being and seamlessly fit into your daily routine. We've provided links in the description below this video for more detailed information about the top 5 best under-desk treadmills we discuss, including pricing and additional details for each model. For a deeper dive into analysis and comparison, visit our website at azsuperbox.com. Our website features comprehensive reviews and valuable insights to help you choose the perfect under-desk treadmill that matches your fitness goals and workspace requirements. So, without further ado, let's delve into the world of the top 5 best under-desk treadmills and find the perfect fit for your active and busy lifestyle. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Your support means a lot to us, and we're excited to bring you more valuable tech reviews and recommendations. Let's begin our journey towards a healthier and more productive you. Now, let's get started.